Welcome back TGN Bharat News Channel.
ఈరోజు ఈ టీఎంటీ శ్రీ హైదరాబాద్ 10,000K రన్ మైండ్ ఓవర్ మైల్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్లో ఈ యొక్క వింటర్ సీజన్లో దీన్ని క్రియేట్ చేశారు. మనందరికీ ఈరోజు చాలా అంబిషన్స్, చాలా టెన్షన్స్, చాలా ఎమోషన్స్తో మనం బ్రతుకుతున్నాము. అలాంటప్పుడు ఇలాంటి రన్లు, ఇలాంటి ఎక్సర్సైజులు అర్లీ మార్నింగ్ మనం చేసినప్పుడు చాలా వరకు నయం చేసుకోవచ్చు. మన మెంటల్ హెల్త్ అయితేనేమి, అదేవిధంగా మన ఫిజికల్ హెల్త్ అయితేనేమి, వీటన్నిటి మీద కూడా మనలో ఒక రకమైన అంబిషను, ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అనేది బాగా కలుగుద్ది. కలిగిన దానివల్ల ఈ రన్స్ అనేది చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ముఖ్యంగా ఈ రోజైతే మనం రన్తో స్టార్ట్ చేసాము, కానీ ఎవ్రీడే ఒక 1 hour కనుక మనం ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేస్తూ ఇలాంటి ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ వల్ల మనం దానికి వల్ల మన బాడీ, మన మైండ్ చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటుంది. ముఖ్యంగా ఉద్దేశం ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే మన సెల్ఫ్గా కాకుండా దీనివల్ల వచ్చే ఫైనాన్స్ అంతా కూడా చాలామంది పిల్లలకి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. వాళ్ళ హెల్త్ని కూడా మనం ఇండైరెక్ట్గా హెల్ప్ చేస్తున్నాం. అదేవిధంగా ఇలాంటి చాలా ఫిలాంథ్రఫిక్ యాక్టివిటీస్ మనం చేస్తూ ఈ శ్రీ టీఎంటీ వాళ్ళని, అదేవిధంగా దీంట్లో స్పాన్సర్గా ఉన్న మిగతా అన్ని ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ని నేను చాలా అభినందిస్తున్నాను.
I think today this run for an awareness, that is for mental health, mind over miles, dinki organization anduku Shri, the team of Shri TMT for this 10,000 run. I congratulate each one of them, the organizing committee and the sponsors and the guest of honor for today, Dr. Bhaskar Rao sir and other dignitaries, and of course all the students, all the participants. They all are here with like full joy, full excitement. This is what we need, right? So when we talk about mental health, every day it's not the same. We all face a lot of stress and a lot of challenges in our life, and yes, we have to keep it we have to keep it rolling. And yes, of course, mental health is associated with physical health too. So doing exercise consistently every day, whether it's yoga or any gym or even a run, will help you a lot, because we all know that physical exercise will add on endorphins to your body, and that is what is it's a natural mood stabilizer, so it's required to keep your mood stable. And yes, of course, physical health is of course related to mental health, and more than important, mental stress. Let me tell you one thing, we all go through it, we all have this, everyone, we all always feel that the other person whom we look at is so happy and glad, and they might not have, but believe me, everyone everyone has it. So today it's very important that we all get, we have to socialize, we have to come out of that, especially the mobile mode what we all are in. Today everyone, even they are in a party, they will always have the mobile in the hand and they'll be sitting in the corner scrolling their social media. So this is what is actually creating a lot of mental issues, and we all are like, the depression, anxiety is all interrelated. So let me tell you, like previously, like before, during my grandmother's time, they used to not have any kind of this. They used to have, but not much. But now it is increasing because we are unable to communicate well. We are not unable to express ourselves well. We are keeping all the things inside us, our mind and heart. But let me tell you, please feel yourself free, express yourself, be happy. Every moment of your life has to be lived properly. The moment you start living your life, you'll enjoy your life and you'll keep your mental status balanced, and most importantly, keep your life properly organized. Discipline and maintaining a routine in your life always leads to mental balance. So all the best. Thank you so much for inviting me and making me a part of this event. Thank you.
And as a responsible corporate body, we always see that we should do some good for the society. And this 10K run is our one step forward for the building of a good society, and to provide and to motivate this, you promote mental stability, physical fitness, and the community feeling. So, like our Sri TMT, we always believe in the good quality and the inner strength. This run is also for creating a feeling inside for the inner strength, mental stability, and healthy living. Okay.
Right. Thank you.
And this edition, we will try to do every year this function again and again. Thank you.
Thank you.